Kevin. Morning, Brad. Enjoying the wonderful tropical weather here. As you can see, feet of snow. And it's not gonna get any better. It's only gonna get worse. I'm Kevin, for Channel 4. No.
See, I said $10. I would have gained $10 if you'd have
Well, gained 10 pounds. I knows it with them. Well, let's head up. Alrighty, brother. Something coming. Walking down Pennsylvania Avenue. 13 minutes left on this battery.
Oh.
Well, I got the other battery.
Oh, yeah, good.
You can see all the way down there.
This guy's just driving back and up. You know, they're just going up there and they came back.
More people down there.
Dude, we're not the only ones with this idea.
Just taking a stroll.
3 people will be out and be like, what the fuck?
There's Kevin. He fell. I hope this isn't like in black and white.
You have that on black and white?
I don't know.
Oh, just in the viewfinder,
And I can't really see too much in the LCD screen. Check it out.
Holy fuck, that tells you all the story right there.
No, it doesn't.
Let's go out there, man. On top of the parking garage, that's behind Coffee Music in Westminster. Do you know where your children are?
Doing drugs, I hope. Are you good?
I am good.
Oh my goodness, hang on. Oh, hang on. I need like something to grab onto up there.
You look like you're a little... I bet if you just like shook, it would just all fall off. Look at that. Fortunately enough, you didn't get any on your head.
Whew. I went face fucking first. Alright, I'm gonna go down.
Alright.
Does it look okay?
Yeah.
Let's get back to some
lower ground. Thing is, like, jumping off. Yeah, I don't know what you're gonna do. God. We're here. We can touch the one-way sign. About to jump into a big pile. Ready? Yup. Because I know I am. Wait, oh! Hey, the battery cut out of the one. Whenever you're ready, brother. All right. It's pretty fun. You good? Yeah, I'm good. Oh, you motherfuckers and sons of motherfuckers must pay. Whoa! Yeah! There's a huge drop of water on this lens. Ah, great. What happened? We need napkins, I think. Well, straight ahead we've got north of, what is this, Main Street? Yeah. And that's, I guess that was south. Yeah. And then right there is Sheets. Yeah, it's pretty fucking snowy. Up that way. There's Kristen. You know, we got a car over here to your right, completely snowed in. Behind it we got a Jeep. Fucking amazing. Pretty amazing, I'd have to say. Whew. Well, more on this later. Peace out. Well, we're at Sheets. Middle of the blizzard here, February 6th, I believe, 2010. That house is really blue. Did you ever notice that? It's black and white from my point of view. Yeah, that's a good point. Whew. Getting ready to truck up a little bit that way. Not too far at this point. So, it's an interesting day. What we got coming up Main Street? What do we got coming up on? Yeah. Well, stables and oh, what's coming up on? Take a look at this road, man. Yeah, you can't even slide on this one. This one's just bad. Where are we? We're in Westminster. Well, I mean, we know that at this point. Yeah. Heading towards that intersection. I don't think you might even see the intersection that well on the camera. With stables and where that hive used to be is coming up. Or is there still a hive? There's a plow coming. Terps van. It's nutty out. It's fuck-ticulous. Bud Light Bud Light beer to the rescue. Buzz Lightyear. Bud Light beer. Bud Lightyear. Woo! More intense. Come back at me.